The $180 billion skincare industry is broken. It sells hope in a bottle based on generic averages. But your skin is biological code, and it requires a precision-engineered solution. Welcome to Lumi. We've built the world's first decentralized bioformulation platform. We don't guess. We combine Google's Gemini Vision, DeepMind's AlphaFold, and quantum computing to engineer a serum that is mathematically perfect for your skin architecture. It starts with the scan. Using a cosmetic-grade implementation of Gemini Vision model, we analyze your skin against the FFHQ wrinkle dataset. This isn't a simple filter. We are measuring collagen integrity, pore density, and hydration levels with pixel-perfect accuracy to create a digital biological twin of your face. Here is where the revolution happens. We pipe your biometric data into AlphaFold 4 to identify the exact protein structures your skin is struggling to synthesize. We then pass that structure to a variational quantum eigensolver, VQE, running on a penny lane simulator. Watch the graph. Cool, we are minimizing the ground state energy of the peptide bonds in real time. Lower energy means higher stability and up to 50% better transdermal absorption. This is chemistry, optimized by physics, powered by AI. The result is the Lumi Protocol. Unlike big beauty brands, we are radically transparent. Look at the optimization logic timeline. It explains exactly why we chose this specific peptide sequence based on your quantum energy score. We provide the full compounding recipe from water actives and cool down, giving you the power to synthesize this yourself. But for the ultimate convenience, you can simply order the Genesis kit. We ship the raw, pharmaceutical-grade actives and lab hardware directly to your door. You can even share your unique protocol with your dermatologist with one click. Lumi. Stop guessing, start engineering.